Garlic health benefits, uses, side effects, and nutritional facts. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been valued for centuries for its potent flavor and medicinal properties. This versatile herb, a member of the onion family, is not only a culinary staple but also a powerful natural remedy. Rich in bioactive compounds like allicin, garlic has a long standing reputation as a health boosting superfood. Health benefits of garlic are 1. Boosts immunity. Garlic's antioxidant and antimicrobial properties help strengthen the immune system, protecting against colds, flu, and infections. 2. Supports heart health. Garlic is known to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall cardiovascular health by enhancing blood flow and reducing arterial plaque. 3. Fights inflammation. The sulfur compounds in garlic have anti inflammatory properties, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases like arthritis and diabetes. 4. Aids in detoxification, and garlic promotes liver function and helps remove heavy metals and toxins from the body. 5. Antibacterial and antiviral. Garlic is a natural antibiotic effective against a range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. 6. Improves digestive health. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and gut health. 7. May prevent cancer. Studies suggest that garlic's antioxidants may reduce the risk of certain cancers by protecting cells from damage and slowing tumor growth. 8. Regulates blood sugar. Garlic can improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for managing diabetes. 9. Enhances brain function. Garlic's antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, potentially lowering the risk of Alzheimer's and dementia. Uses of garlic are 1. Culinary applications. That cooking adds flavor to dishes like soups, sauces, and stir fries. Raw, consumed directly, or minced into dressings and dips. 2. Medicinal uses. Supplementation. Garlic extract capsules are widely used for cardiovascular and immune health. Home remedies. A mixture of crushed garlic and honey is popular for boosting immunity. 3. Topical applications. A garlic paste is applied to skin infections or wounds for its antimicrobial properties. 4. Traditional medicine. Garlic is used in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine to treat various ailments, including colds, high blood pressure, and indigestion. Side effects of garlic. While garlic is generally safe, excessive consumption or sensitivities may lead to side effects. 1. Digestive issues. High amounts of garlic can cause heartburn, bloating, and diarrhea, particularly when consumed raw. 2. Bad breath and body odor. The sulfur compounds responsible for garlic's health benefits can also lead to strong odors. 3. Risk of bleeding. Garlic has blood thinning properties, which may increase the risk of bleeding when combined with anticoagulant medications or during surgery. 4. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience skin irritation, rashes, or respiratory issues when exposed to raw garlic. 5. Drug interactions. Garlic may interfere with medications like blood thinners, antiplatelet drugs, and certain antibiotics. Nutritional facts of garlic. Here it is. The approximate nutritional value for 100 grams of raw garlic. Calories: on 149 protein, 6.4 grams of fat, 0.5 grams, 33 carbohydrates, 30 fiber, 2.11 grams the vitamin C of the daily percent value. We will vitamin 6, 17% of D, manganese 23% of D, selenium 6% of the DV, calcium 80 mg, iron 1.27 mg. Garlic is also rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds like allicin, which contribute to its unique flavor and health benefits. Conclusion: garlic is a powerhouse of nutrition and medicinal value, offering a wide array of health benefits, from boosting immunity and improving heart health to aiding digestion and fighting infections. Its versatility makes it a staple ingredient in kitchens and a trusted remedy in natural medicine. While it is generally safe, moderation is essential, especially for those with sensitivities or on specific medications. Incorporating garlic into your daily routine, whether in meals or as a supplement, is an excellent way to enhance overall health and well being. Don't forget to subscribe to the Balanced Medicine channel, like the video, share it, and leave your opinion in the comments section.